Hello everyone, this is a Nadair 48-inch spinner, all polished brass plated that I got on Kijiji. The previous owner of this fan was the original owner who originally purchased it back in the 80s. I'm not sure of the date of the fan exactly because the fan is not dated, but I'm pretty sure it was made somewhere around 1986, as it both uses parts from a fan of the mid-80s, just like a fan of the late 80s. It originally had a 24-inch down rod, but the previous owner was really handy, and he cut the down rod to 6-inch for me. That was really nice of him. He took really good care of it. It's in pristine condition. And the blades, this is not a printed oak finish. This is wood stain, and it's got cane on the other side. Yeah, obviously you probably noticed the motor. It's exactly like the motor on my Seville and the Montego. So it's basically like a Montego, a Nadair version of the Montego. It has a mixture of parts from different companies, mostly Four Seasons, but the canopy up there, that's a typical Nadair canopy from the late 80s, early 90s. You know, it was used on a lot of their early 90s models. Yeah, of course you probably all recognize the brackets, and like I said, the motor, those are made by Four Seasons. The switch housing, I'm not sure, because it looks a lot like a Four Seasons switch housing, but it's not as wide, you know. It's you know, it's a little smaller, but it's pretty thick. It's just that it's not as wide. So I'm not sure who made it. The blades are made by Ding Lian. Those are definitely not Four Seasons blade. Four Seasons blades are made by Pro Blades. Those are made by Ding Lian. The stickers on the top of the motor are all pretty faded, but I did recognize the typical Nadair sticker, which is here. It's very faded, but I recognize it. Here's the cane on the top of the blades. I'm gonna show you that better later. The fan came all complete, all the way with the original mounting bracket, which is made differently than a Four Seasons mounting bracket. It's not like this gold steel, it's black, you know, like more like the today's fan. The original decorative pulls are both here. Wow. Wooden teardrop ones, you know. It is made pretty differently than a Four Seasons 48-inch. Four Seasons 48-inch would have had wider blades with a much wider motor. And this one has the same size of motor a Four Seasons 36-inch or 42-inch would have, and it's 48-inch. The blades are 19-inch long, but you can see that they're the skinnier type, like you see on the 36-inch or 42-inch. It's just that the blades are longer, so it does look a little bit disproportionate. I mean, I would have liked better if it would have had 17-inch blades. You know, if it would have been 42-inch, that would have been really cool. Not 36, because 36 is way too common, but 42 would have been cool. But still, 48 is cool also, you know. So it spins. It's very quiet. Has just a normal hum to it. Almost no wobble, not too much wobble, and yeah, here it is on high speed. On high, it's really fast. The two other speeds are pretty slow, but high speed is pretty fast for having such long blades on the small motor. Moves a really good amount of air. I'm guessing around 200 or possibly even 220 RPMs. Wow, that's good. medium speed now. Medium speed is it's pretty slow for a spinner. It's probably around 120 RPMs. No more than that. 130, I'll say. Yeah, definitely 130. Still blows really good deal of air. Very quiet. And now for the low speed. Low speed is very slow on it. It's around 55, 60 RPMs, definitely not more than that. Here it is with the cane side. The cane is natural cane, it's not plastic cane or anything like it. Real cane, wow. But it's a very generic type of cane, you know. That's why I usually use the plain side on fans that have generic cane, because I'm not a big fan of cane, you know. I prefer a lot more stencil or plain blades. I absolutely love the finish on these blades. It's a beautiful golden oak finish. My favorite blade finish ever. And it's in really, really good condition to finish. It's barely even scratched or anything. So this is what it looks like when it spins with the cane blades on low. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.